This is the first part of the solutions for Chapter 1 test review. The first part is 1-1, variables and expression. The directions ask us to write an algebraic expression for each variable expression. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Number 1, it starts off here. This is the verbal expression, right? So someone would say 1/3 of a number plus twice a number. Okay? So, what does this 1/3 mean? 1/3, like 1/2, is like a fraction. Okay, so you want to write your fraction here. So here would be 1/3. Okay, of means multiply, so you could put the multiplication symbol of a number, right? Any variable you choose from, x. Okay, that's of a number. The next part is plus. Okay, plus. Okay, plus twice, right? Twice means 2 times a number, okay? And it's the same number. It doesn't say an other number, okay? So let's isolate this again. So the 1/3 can be red. That is why this place is red. Of can be blue. That's what the of symbol here is, blue. A number, I can make that green. That's the same thing as this green. Plus, make that black. Here, twice a number. Okay, that I can make orange. And that is what this twice of a number is. Okay, do you see how each part of the word translate into, right, numerically what the algebraic expression looks like? Okay, all right, good. Next one we have this. The difference between a number and an other number. Okay, so the difference means it's a subtraction. Okay, I can make that blue here. Let's start writing that equation. So that is here. It's going to be a minus, right? Okay, between a number, so let's pick a number first, x, right? That's what a number is. I can make that purple for you so you could see it better, right? It could be any color. Okay, that is what this means. A number and, right, and an other number, right? The fact that it says an other number, it can't be the same thing as x, okay? So, y. I can pick y if I want. Okay? Y. Okay? And that is what an other number is. Good? The difference is that subtraction between a number, x, and another number, y. Okay? I color coded it for you so you can see it much better. Okay? 3. The product of 9 and a number. Product of 9. Let's do that one first, okay? Insert equation. Oops. Insert equation, right? We want the product of 9, so you want to start by writing the number 9. Let's make that red 9, right? Product means multiplication. Okay. Let me color code that for you. Purple for this problem, right? And you want to put the dot. Oops, my mistake. You can put a dot here, right? For the product. Then a number, right? We can make that orange if you want. And that's a number, so you pick any variable you want. For this one, I'm just going to pick x. Okay, so 9's right here, product, the dot, a number, which is orange, x. Okay, you could also write it like this. This would also be acceptable as the answer, right? Okay, because you don't really have to sometimes write the dot. You can just put it right next to each other. So these are both acceptable answers, okay? And the other part of this section is going backwards. So here it asks us to write an algebraic expression for each verbal expression. But this time, we start off with this expression. Okay. Right? Now, what we need to do here is we need to write the verbal expression, okay, for each algebraic expression. So we have to figure out what this piece means. What do we call that? 1 over 3. Some people say like it's like this, right? We call it 1/3. Okay, so let's just use that. That's a good one to start with, right? The red part, 1/3. What is this dot referred to? That is the multiplication. So we call that product, right? You could also call that times if you want. Okay, and I think I left that the color purple here. And what do we call this? X to the power 3. Some people call that x to the power 3. Okay, and I can make this here green. That is x to the power 3. Or, okay, or you can say it another way. You could say 1/3, right, times, okay, times is here, and the green part can be x to the power 3, right, it's the x cubed, okay, right, those work too, okay, so this is the homework solution, right, for section 1-1 on the chapter 1 test review.